From the bottom of my patutoy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning everything! Good morning guys! Dito pamaol tumitigas sakit. Pero, yeah, yun. So, magluto ako ng omelette. Hindi omelette, itlog lang ito. Yung regular lang na scrambled egg. Kasi para naman meron tayong maano. At saka, tignan natin kung meron tayong kanin. Ay, meron pang konting kanin eh. Konti na lang. So, itlog na lang yung kay Mr. Anyway guys, good morning. Ngayon is birthday ni Tammy. Tammy's birthday. Happy birthday, Tammy. I-greet nyo na lang siya guys. So, wala kaming ganap. Wala kaming ganap sa birthday niya. At saka aalis siya ngayon kasi bukas trabaho siya. Wala ngayong araw, pero mamaya pa siyang hapon na alis. Birthday niya. And wala lang. Walang ganap. Normal lang naman kasi guys, kami mag-birthday, mag-asawa. Normal lang. Walang ganap. Wala ako. Hindi ako, magbibigay ako paminsan sa kanya ng regalo, pero magagalit yun. So, kaya yun, ang ginagawa ko is deposit deposit na lang sa bangko. Doon na lang yun sa bangko niya patungo yung pera. As usual naman yan guys, every month. Pero alam nyo na, doon patungo ang pera sa kanya. Dagdagan natin ng anik butter. So yun, ito lang yung breakfast namin guys. Alam nyo, I think kailangan ko na ng glasses talaga guys, kasi sumasakit-sakit talaga tong mata ko talaga. Overuse na ba? Na-overuse sa kaka-laptop, sa kaka-cellphone. Who are you talking to? Why? Did Roxy did something?
No, Roxy not eat.
Okay, bye-bye.
Finish your food.
Finish your din Rox. She act like a freaking. Go eat your din.
Come on, finish your din. No, finish your din. I'll give you a ball after you eat your din. Look at Bessie, she ate hers.
Go eat your din. Do you want bonsi? Eat your din. Come on, Roxy. Do you want bonsi? Eat your din. Go eat your din. You walk away. Go eat it. You want some din? You want bonsi? Go eat your din. Go eat that. Go eat. Go eat that. Don't slide it. Go eat it first. Go eat your din. Go eat it. Do you want bonsi? Eat that din first. Eat that din. No, that's not yours. No, Roxy, no. No. Roxy, no. No, that's not yours. I told you. Roxy, eat this first. I'll give you bone. I'll give you bonsi. Eat that first. Do it. Eat more. Eat. You have to eat more. Makaintindi man ito guys. Mga matigas talaga lang ulo. Alam nila yung mga pinagsasabi namin. Pero matigas lang talaga ang ulo. Look, tignan mo. Alaman niya yan. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Yeah.
What, you gotta be on camera to eat?
You understand? You understand me, right? You understand? Okay, Dada, get a bone, Dada. Okay, where's the bone? Oh, Dada, where's your bone?
Okay, you gotta follow me then. Okay.
Follow Dada.
No. I know, miss. You got your second treat now. Because...
Yeah, give them that T-bone. That's how you do it, Roxy. You understand what I'm trying to tell you, huh? You understand? Oh my goodness, you're really telling your Dada that you don't like what he gives you? Are you telling your Dada that you don't like what he gives you? Is it what it is? Oh my goodness. Honey, he is like listening to you, love. Oh my goodness, you cannot just give him a lot of what you give, honey. Look at his body, hon. He's a fat baby na. Do you want to drive? What time is it? It's still 12, hon. Let's go drive, hon. Okay, you shower na.
What are you doing?
Look at that, honey. He's like touching you like that, though. Don't leave. The two of you.
You're in charge of everything in the house now. You're it.
The two of you. Okay, Dada's gonna take a shower that we can go. Take care of the thing. Tapusin ko lang itong ano ni Tamimoy. Egg sandwich. This is for his thing. He likes egg sandwich, actually. You do, right, honey?
Yeah.
And this is a lot, honey. You think it's a lot? Or finish it all? I boiled a lot, right?
That's okay.
Kailangan lang namin talagang aalis dito ngayon para i-deposito yung ano. Kailangan i-deposit. Kasi na-sign na niya ba? Akala niya maano niya online. Pero hindi pala pwede. Kasi malaki daw. Malaki ang talong. Malaki ang talong. May limit pala yung mga online. So ngayon, akala ni Tami pwede yung amount na yun. So, na-sign niya ba? Delikado man yun, guys. Kapag ma-sign na yung cheque. Kasi pag mawala, din may makakita. Pwede na nilang i-deposit yun. Kasi may sign na nung may-ari. So, guys. And then, mag-harvest po tayo, guys. Mamaya, sana walang ulan. Punta tayo doon sa likuran kasi ang daming apple. Let's go take mga behog. Check. It's been a while. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wherever I'm weary. From the bottom of bottom until the day tomorrow until the day now and forever I will be your girl. I will be your girl, love. Girl? Is that a girl? I will be your wifey forever, my hubby. From the bottom of my patutoy. He's so busy texting, guys. I don't know who he's texting, but he's busy. That's who he is. Okay, guys. We are here. Sa bangko na tayo. Si Tami lang magpunta doon. I didn't lock it. I locked it when we were driving. Hello, kakadong. Talaga siya eh. Kapag ako lang sa sasakyan, sabihin talaga niya, you lock it when I'm out, okay? Ganyan yan siya, guys. Okay. Anyway, guys, so ngayon, hintayin lang natin siya dito. So, pag may tao, ganito lang. Oops, don't come. I have a barrel. Tugur-kutog. Ganun lang, tugur-kutog. Ganyan lang dapat. Wala naman itong mga laman. Anong ginagawa niya dyan? Nag-alala naman ako nito eh. Ano yung kinuha niya sa pocket niya? Kukunin ko yung cellphone. Tawagan ko yung si Tami. Tawagan ko si Tami. Natakot naman ako dito eh. Pumunta siya dito sa harapan ng sasakyan ko. Tawagan ko lang si Tami daw. Natakot ako nito. Talo eh. Natakot ako doon. Oh my God. Alam nyo guys, alam nyo kung bakit natakot ako. Kasi nag-ano talaga siya, nagganon-ganon siya sa pocket niya oh. Doon siya sa harapan ng sa bangko, sa may door. Sa may pinto. Ganon siya, ganon. So, sakala ko may kumuha ng baril. Hindi, doon. Nakita ninyo? Gumaganon pa siya sa akin. Kasi guys, alam nyo guys, ang daming, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, ang dami pong, as in, ang ito ding lugar na pinuntahan namin, hindi safe. Ang sinakyan ng lalaking yun is taxi. So, ngayon, taxi. Pumunta siya dito. Oh my God. Ang dami kasing mga, ano guys, yung parang ipakita ang baril, bigyan mo ng pera, bigay mo sa akin lahat kung ano yung suot mo, ganon. Ako yung natakot, Ano naman si Tami? Malaki talaga yung dala niya. Cheeky. Hindi naman sobrang laki. Malaki lang. And alam niyo naman yung bangko, walang mga security. Iba dito kasi guys, sa Pilipinas may mga security, kahit mall, kahit may security, kahit employer, si Buwana, ganun, may mga security sa labas, 'di ba? Ito kasi dito, kahit malalaking building, mga bangko, ganun, walang security. As in, may mga ano lang sila dapat pindutin kapag may ano, pindutin lang yun, na ready na, pero natatakot ako guys. Uy, kasi gumaganon siya sa wallet niya. O dito, akala ko may baril, and then pumunta sa harapan ng sasakyan, tumitingin. And then ngayon, naglakad pa nun, ganun pa siya. Kaya nga, napaganon ako.
I didn't notice, but okay.
When you get in,
Yeah.
so what happened, this guy came off from the taxi and will follow you.
Yeah.
And when he will follow you, he's in the side where the TD Bank sign, the brakes area.
Yeah.
He do like this, and he's like trying to get something in his pocket, and I'm worried.
Probably looking for his card so he can
No.
access the machine.
No, and then what he did, I thought he's gonna get a gun. And he walked forwards here, and he's looking at me. He walking and waving, looking at me.
He's looking for his wallet or he's looking for his card.
No,
You never know.
like, hon, I'm nervous, hon. This is bank, and you know he might get
Yeah,
me.
I realize that, hon. You look.
What you like? You have to better advance.
You hear a lot of bad stories and you start thinking bad everything. But if I were living that way, hon, I would never leave the house. It would be craziness.
We're going to get pizza. Kasi si Tami gusto niya yung the biggest pizza box from the pizzeria we always get the food. Look at him. He said it's his birthday. He need to get a big pizza. Right, big boy? Oh my God, that pizza box is so big. Go. Tignan nyo naman yan si Mister, guys. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Tignan nyo naman yan si Mister, guys. It's really big now. This is ridiculous. Guys, this is so big. Look at this. It's crazy. Honestly, guys, in real life, it's big. Not just like the regular pie. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Look at it. This is so huge. Sticky cheese. Okay, open sesame. Oh, look at the. Hala.
That doesn't fit the box.
They won't fit the box. Oh my God, guys. Look at this, guys. Look. Oh my goodness. The biggest pizza. And guys, the slices. Holy moly. We need a big Ziploc bag. And it won't even fit. Look. Paano ito kainin, guys? Look, oh, yung slice, oh, ang laki, oh, slice, oh. Ito yung kamay ko, pero tignan nyo yung slice na yan, oh. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this, guys.
You gotta give him something that's next to it, so reference.
I did, my hand. Extra cheese. How much you pay for this?
$30.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
Holy moly, hon. $30. How much is that in piso one? 48, honey.
This looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a fake one. Okay, let's do apple picking. Kasama ko si Mr. Birthday Boy. So, dito tayo. Kasi ang dami pa kasing apple. Dito tayo, mga pare koy. What's your steps, ha? Still a lot? Oh, there's still a lot. Huh? Yeah, it's plenty. Plenty, plenty. What's your steps? Get the good one though. Yeah. Put it here. Okay, put it here because it's already flying. Guys, apple picking. Dito. Matamis kasi ito.
Oh, this is weird. Look, it's
What?
green. I don't like it.
No, you have to clean it. When you clean it, that red thing. Yeah, no, that red thing, that brown dirty thing. That's the one. That's the one that I will wash it. Yeah. It is. You don't wanna put it?
Hmm?
You don't wanna put that down?
No, because then they go.
Poison ivy, oh, poison oak. Daming poison dito. Dami, takot na talaga sa poison guys kasi marami na siyang ano, na poisonan na ito eh. Na poisonan. Dami ang ito tayo. Apple. Okay, can you put it down here? That you don't have to carry it.
Yeah, you don't like it.
Okay, dito. Wala pa naman akong shoes and I'm not wearing shoes. Dito, marami. Mahangin din guys. And then I wash it. Clean it. This is the hard part. Ito yung mahirap guys sa mag apple picking and then sobrang tangkad ko. I'm so tall that I cannot reach the whole thing. Tignan nyo. Han, is that good? Meron dito. Oh my God, ang daming poison ivy dyan. Can you take that hand, that one over there, up there?
This one?
Yeah. Why, is it good? Bad? No, that's bad. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. There's over there on top, oh. Watch out, watch out. That two over there, and that one close to your hand.
Second one.
Yeah, just one. And close to your hand.
See?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ay! No, forget that.
Here.
This one here.
Which one?
This one right there. Can you do that?
Dark red one?
No, that one over there. Is that good? Okay. Huh? Just look at the good one there.
Stand here and wait for the phone catch it.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Thank you, love. This is a beautiful tree, right? Hydrangea, right?
Yeah.
So beautiful. So beautiful. I have to trim this yellow thing too. Okay, guys. Okay, look. Okay, let's wash this. This is small apple kasi ano ito eh? Organic eh. Organic. Yun, malinis na siya guys. So, yun. I-drain ko lang siya. Nililinis ko to isa-isa kasi sobrang itim yun ba. Dahil nagkakatay ng grass. Nagkakatay ng grass doon. Yun. Kaya, yan. Tapos na. So, anyway. So, kukunin na natin ito sila guys. Ikakat natin. Hi guys! So, ngayon guys, sumasakit na naman yung ulo ko, mata ko. Pero look update sa ano guys, sa kamatis natin. Ito na yung look, tumaas na siya. Hindi tumaas, parang masaya naman. At saka ito din tumaas na look. Saka ito din, parang hindi naman. At saka meron tayong kamatis doon na tumubo guys. Nandun sa loob kung asan yung string beans natin. So, ang gagawin ko guys is i-transfer ko siya guys. Kasi sayang. So, ngayon, ita-transfer ko siya sa maliit na container. Tubig. Hindi siya tubig. At lupa lang siya. Ilagay natin sa lupa. So, yun yung gawin ko. Yes, my husband wants some apple and marami pa doon, guys. At saka ito, ipadala ko siya. I think I'm gonna make it full so that he can bring it to work. You know? Kasi, hindi ko naman ito makakain at hindi ako palakain talaga ng mga prutas, guys. As in. Hindi talaga. So, ang gagawin niya lang, isabihin doon sa trabaho na, this is the smallest apple you can see. Because, you know, it's not even, it's organic. It's no chemical whatsoever. So, honey.
Oh, but you know where he was hiding, right?
I know where he is. Yeah, he is over there.
Oh, he's in there now.
He is probably under the table. Honey, it's not. It's the blind.
No, my cigarette's gone.
It's the blind, what you heard. Anyway, guys, so, yaon, paalis na si Mister. Pero, yun, naghanap siya anak niya, guys. Hinahanap lang naman niya yung anak niya. I really want to buy a rug in there, honey, under the table. A rug like this, oh. What? Where is he? Just show him the thing.
I did. He didn't come out.
No?
Okay.
Okay, then don't. If he's not interested. Oh, he's following you. Uh-huh.
You'll be quick before your sister comes and decides she wants to share with you.
She's coming. Foxy. Somebody's having something here. Come on.
Oh, your mom was calling Roxy. Call Roxy.
The bad girl? You wanna say bye the bad girl?
Right there, she's right there.
Okay, bye-bye, love.
I love you. You can call me, you know where I am.
I love you, baby.
I gotta stop to get a lottery ticket because my birthday. Probably not.
But check your last one. Check your last one,
I
honey.
checked the last one.
It's like you keep buying lotto, but
Yeah,
then
losing.
no, but you never check. You're
I
probably
checked, and I'm not even winning $10. It's like stupid.
okay, guys. This is Mister. Han, did you have everything, Han, in the car?
I never changed that fucking battery in this motion sensor.
When we can
You
see
gotta
that
remind me.
again?
Love you on. What?
I love you too. Bye guys. Guys, see you tomorrow guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.